What's up, girlfriends? How you doing? It's an awesome Saturday. 1 week till Christmas. Everyone's going to be freaking out. Week and a half, whatever. Okay, so Sherry Underwood here, coming to you to talk about your vibration and the energy. So I'm so obsessed with learning about this now, and I just want to give you little nuggets that can help you in your business, in your relationships, in your, everything you do in life. So one of the things that was said in a video I was watching is that all the energy that was ever created, that the creator started from the beginning, it all is in existence. Every bit of energy is already here. You need to bring your vibe up if you're going to succeed. And do you know even essential oils I know you doTERRA and Young Living and Melaleuca girls all know this. I just found this out. Like heliochrysum, frankincense, peppermint, they all elevate you. They all raise the bar on your vibration. And life is so much better when your vibration's up. Did you ever think of someone? This happens to me all of the time in my business. You think of someone and next thing you know, they call, right? It's because you're in the same vibration. It is so cool. So here's my mentor said this. He said that mental toughness. So now we're talking about in your business, mental toughness is when you find fuel in an empty tank. I love that. Thank you, Brandon. It's so awesome because you get that vibration up. You get it going. It's so awesome. So here's my thing to you. You're going to do two things. If you want to level up, if you want to get that vibration up, you don't have to douse yourself in essential oils, but I'm telling you, I was really excited when I found out the ones. Rose is I think has the strongest to get you, but I'm not a floral scent kind of person, and I don't have that handy. Anyway, okay, you're going to do two things, call to action. So number one, you are going to find someone that has already done what you want to do. You're going to find a mentor. You're going to find that person. You're going to go out and say, I want to do what this person has done. And then, number two, and hopefully they'll mentor you because that's what I found and I got it and I'm loving it. Hey guys, I'm so excited that you're watching. Okay, number two, do exactly what they did. Do exactly what they are doing. Do exactly what they tell you to do. All right? So thank you for the love. I want you to do those two things. Find someone that you want to emulate and then do what they do. Do you want to know how your vibration is going to rise and how everything's going to go so much better for you? It's going to be crazy. All right. And you're going to be happier. You're going to be, overwhelmed with being able to give back and be generous to other people who need that. Right? Okay. What does Psalm 37... Is it 4? 37:4 tell us, delight thyself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. So I want you to dive in. I want you to delight yourself in the Lord. I want you to find that perfect mentor. I want you to bring your energy up. I want you to bring your vibe up. And 2020 is going to be spectacular for you. All right? So, love you guys. Hope you have an awesome weekend, a blessed weekend, and looking so forward to the new year. All right, have a great one.